Technology, definition, technology in a sentence, technology pronunciation, technology meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of technology. 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 Technology as a noun means the practical application of scientific knowledge or know-how. Common usages in academic writing: advanced technology, computer technology, new technology, improvements in technology, a technology-based solution. Example sentence, technology noun. The advancements in computer technology will soon revolutionize the way we grow food. The common academic writing variations are technological, adjective. The technological achievements of the 1900s were influenced by the widespread availability of education. And technologically, adverb. It is surprising that we have not discovered other technologically advanced civilizations in the cosmos. Please write a sentence using technology in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of technology, the meaning of technology, and technology example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.